Good morning, good morning. Robert here with Bella's Lawn Care, Bella's Junk Removal. Today is Monday, February 24th. So before we get things started, man, let me show y'all what I eat for breakfast. Cause it can be hard out here sometimes, so you gotta say what I have every time, man. Don't get me wrong, but I always stop at the Quick Trip, give me a little flatbread or something from the Quick Trip kitchens. You gotta get some power up, man. You gotta get something to get you going. Flatbread. Ooh, got some chipotle sauce in there. Cheddar cheese, jalapeno. What are those things called? Like jalapeno chips, I think. And some good old chicken. Yeah, buddy. So today, right now, I am headed to the landfill. I gotta go drop a load off, and then I gotta go finish a lawn that we started on, I wanna say Friday. And then Saturday we didn't get to it because we got busy, and then Sunday it rained. So it's Monday, we gotta go back and finish it up, so stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I just finished dumping off that load. I try to get a quick time lapse of the footage, but what was going on. But man, when I got this GoPro, I had the other truck, so when I would put this tripod on the dash, it had some nice leather on it, so it would hold it a bit steady. Mine, not so lucky. So starts moving all over the place. So I'm gonna have to get some kind of a suction cup or something to hold it steady on the dash while we're moving. But so right now what I'm getting ready to do is head home, switch out trailers, put up the dump trailer, grab my landscape trailer, and head over to the property that we gotta go finish. And as of right now, there's no more work scheduled for the day, but I will get some footage of the mowing, so you know, that's about as good as it's gonna get today. Maybe, because you know, jobs pop up last minute sometimes, and I'm one of those that, hey, if it's money calling, about 99% of the time I'm gonna go get it, baby. You know, you don't have a choice, man. You know, it's what we do. So all right, y'all, so like I said, work can come up any minute. So about 15 minutes after I stopped recording the last little clip, we had a hauling job come about, so I'm getting ready to head out that way. I had to stop at the tire shop because I got a nail in one of my trailer tires at the landfill, and I should tell you what, man, that just about happens every single time I go to the landfill. I always end up with a nail or a screw or some kind of sharp object in my tire that I wake up the next day and I don't have no air in my tire. So I didn't want to deal with that in the morning, so I went ahead and got it taken care of. And we're on our way to Rowlett, Texas to pick up a load, and then I guess afterwards, then I'll go switch out trailers if time permits, if it's not too late, and go knock out this lawn. So stay tuned, and it's going down. Man, I tell you what, man, it feels good being back in this truck, man, cause man, I don't even feel the dump trailer behind me. You know, I don't feel like I'm pulling nothing. And with that 1500, man, I couldn't even keep up with traffic. You know, cars going around, passing me. And don't get me wrong, you can hit the gas a little bit and get it to get up and go. But I wasn't going to do that with a truck that wasn't mine. So, but this one, big difference, big difference. You know, really love the power in this truck, man. It's a 17 Ram 2500, 6.4 Hemi. It's not a diesel. It's not a Cummins. But for now, you know, this is what we're rocking with. And this is what we're going to keep rocking with for the next few years, maybe until we decide to maybe upgrade. But stay tuned, like I said. Hit the like button, subscribe, because like I said, I will be, once we hit a certain number, I'm gonna say 50. Let's just say maybe 50. Once we hit 50 subscribers, after that, I'll do a giveaway to, like, let's say maybe 150, you know. Once we hit, you know, in between 100 150, I'll come up with a number as the days go. But I will be doing a giveaway. I will, once we have enough subscribers and enough people tuned in and watching, you know, I can start communicating with y'all and kind of figure out if I have more lawn care guys watching or if I have more junk removal guys watching, and we could take it from there and see what kind of giveaway we're gonna do. But it's definitely gonna happen, you know, because I'm really trying to get this going and get more people to see what we do and how we do it, and let people know that I personally myself appreciate the work that they do, because a lot of people, when you do what we do, you feel unappreciated, you know, and you deal with a lot of people that make you feel less, or you're just a lawn guy, or you pick up trash for a living, and but honestly, there's not a lot of people that could do what we do, guys. You know, that's just realistically speaking, you know, to get out here every day and bust your ass to make something happen, I don't knock nobody, but when you go sit in the office, or you got a steady 9-to-5 warehouse job, or wherever it is you work, when it's steady, that's to me, that's easy. I did that for years, and that was easy. But getting out here, it's a challenge, and to want to get up every morning and get going, and the stress that comes with this, and knowing the issues that we have to deal with, because a lot of people don't know that we got to deal with a lot, especially as business owners. Sometimes we have to, man, it's, you got to deal with bad customers, good customers. Are they paying? Are they not paying? Who owes you? Things of that nature. And it can get stressful sometimes, and wear and tear on vehicles. And like as y'all know, my truck was in the shop for so long, and it hurts you. So I appreciate everybody doing what we do. Anybody out here, what you would be labeled as a blue collar worker, man, if you're out here getting up, getting going every single day to make sure that you're straight, and your kids straight, and your wife, your family is straight, I salute you. That's enough motivation for me, because I'd rather do this any day than go sit on a keyboard and just type away, So with that being said, it's gonna get better. The season's coming. Late February already, so March is around the corner. I'm getting ready to send out emails and let customers know the first week of March we're going back to regularly schedule. Hopefully, I know everybody won't be on board, but the ones that do need it, we're gonna get that going. So there's gonna be a lot more footage coming, and a lot more talking. So Alright, so I don't know how good y'all can hear me. This is my first time trying out this head mount, but I'll go ahead and wash the dump trailer, man. It's a little dirty. I don't wash my truck here. I run my truck through the car wash, but that's what we about to do, so. It's going down. Let's see.